10 seconds-ish. Good luck, bud. Cheers. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the mirrors themselves are shaped in parabolic filters. Mirrors to be pointing in slightly different wrong direction. The dish is meant to look focused light. Although right now it's sending in a vague direction. This is meant to be for the lava. If you focus on the refractor dish, maybe you can go where it's pointing. Use the light to fix the lava. But the mirrors each appear to be connected via an elaborate system of ropes and placed to a large metal platform for the dish. To move the rocks, you can focus the dish. The platform even has a control panel on the side. They tilted in one of 4 directions. Rounded rocks will roll when the platform is tilted, while the cube-shaped rocks will stay in place. You note the positions of all the empty spaces in rocks. For example, start by holding the lever, so all the rocks will slide north as far as they'll go. As the support beams along the north side of the platform are damaged, to ensure the platform doesn't collapse, look at the total load on the north support beams. The amount of load via a single rock is equal to the number of rows from the rock to the south edge of the platform, including the row the rock is on. Caused by a single rounded rock is equal to the number of rows from the rock to the south edge of the platform. So this is 50, 68, plus 32 is 100, 121, 133, 136. The platforms of this report, rounded rocks all roll north. Afterwards, what is the total load of the north support beams? Oh, that's really easy. Okay, so things first, I'm going to paste this here. And what I need to do is I'm going to split this. So I'm going to do I can actually do this really easily. Start num, column -1, number of characters is 1, and then len of this, so I have an idea. 100, sweet. So I go to 102. Or 101, I guess. Okay. And then, so watch this. I have a brilliant fucking idea. So, and then, what I do, I'm going to take all this, I'm going to compress all of this, quite a chunk, and I'm going to do equals cat this to this. So this should rotate the entire thing. So upwards is towards the left now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this equals transpose this. So now we're shifting to the left. I'm going to do equals replace. The text is going to be O dot. Sorry, the text is going to be dot O with O dot. Not replace, substitute. The text is this. The old text is that. The new text is this. Go. And then I take this, I spread that across a couple times. And then just to check if this is all good, this equals this. They're all true. Row column 133, column minus 134, 1. So I'm going 134, so I'm going all the way to 235 or something. And then I'm going to do if that's O, then, sorry, if that equals O, then we're going to do 235 minus column, otherwise 0. Oh, I wrote 253. I meant 235. That looks more correct. Sweet. I got top 500. Move the rocks to the edge of the platform, 14 button to the side of the spin cycle. Goes north, then west, then south, then east. After that many cycles.